The cleric who sought help, victory, and goodness, and intercession is sought from the one who sacrificed his soul. He neither ties his clothes nor maintains his beard. O world of misguided counsel, what has befallen the men? O you who place the dead beside God, you are indeed a loser. Your daughter is unmarriageable. Only her equal would accept her. Everything that leads to hellfire will bring about your ruin. True freedom is the understanding of monotheism. I have never addressed the people of Galkayo in a poem. Their injustices and bitterness have multiplied. It was long overdue for me to compose a poem about you, O the open fields where the sheep are being slaughtered. I do not permit them to enter or to take anything. Oh, the place you're taking the flock to is a desolate field. The thousands who are being slaughtered and preyed upon. The widows, the orphans, and the starving kin. The destitute and the vulnerable sitting in the houses we see. They have the right to the livestock you are taking to Sugule. Help the crippled loved ones, or may your name be cursed. Help the crippled loved ones, or may your name be cursed. The devil of polytheism that entered among us has destroyed us, and told us to seek help from the dead time and again. When he mentioned the grave where his grandfather entered, performed the triple step and circle in the holy presence, sometimes bending, sometimes seeking aid and straightening the back, shortening and lengthening, punctuated with a chant. Stop right there, for that is how one enters paradise. You have succeeded, my dear, in reaching the place he desired. O God, save my kinsmen who are following the infidels, and make them understand monotheism which you have not taught them, so that they may break away from the counsel of Rune Shiloh. So that they may break away from the counsel of Rune Shiloh.